Alright, so today it's lockdown here and I have nothing to do other than solving math problems. So here it is, a math problem for you. And we are asked to simplify this tedious expression right here, that is log of 3 to the base 2 times the log of 12 to the base 2 times the log of 48 to the base 2 times the log of 192 to the base 2 plus 16 all under the positive radical minus log of 3 to the base 2 times log of 192 to the base 2 plus 10. So as always, try this, and let me tell you that this expression is not that difficult as it seems in the first sight. So assuming that you had a go at it, let's solve it together. So first look at those numbers. 12 is 3 times 4, 48 is 12 times 4, that's 3 times 4 times 4, that's 3 times 16. 182 is 48 times 4, which is 3 times 64. So here we go. The first clue is the numbers. So the first one, we can write that it as log of 3 times log of 3 to the base 2 times 12 is 3 times 4, so log base 2 of 12, that is just log base 2 of 3 times 4, that is just log base 2 of 3 plus log base 2 of 2 of 4, sorry, and that's just this thing. So we can just plug that in here, and using the same exact logic, log of 48 to the base 2 would be log of 3 to the base 2 plus 4 times the log of 3 to the base 2 plus 6, and we add 16 and copy the rest of the expression downwards. We can write this as this thing right over here, and we move ahead. So we see log base 2 of 3, we do an algebraic substitution. We can write log base 2 of 3 as a. So let's go ahead and plug that in, that radical sign here. A plus 2 times a plus 4 times a plus 6 plus 16 minus a times a plus 6 plus 10. And don't go ahead and multiply this expression. You will get a fourth degree polynomial, super difficult to factor. So here's the trick. Multiply the first and the last term. A times a plus 6 is a square plus 6a times a square plus 6a plus 8 plus 16, and we can multiply this out as well. That's a square plus 6a plus 10. Now let's go ahead and do another algebraic substitution. A square plus 6a, a square plus 6a. We can write a square plus 6a as b. Now let me change colors here. Magenta would be good. So, that's not working. No problem. So wherever we see a square plus 6a, we write b here. So that's b times b plus 8 plus 16 minus b plus 10. Now we can go ahead and multiply this out. B square plus 8b plus 16 minus b plus 10, and you might have recognized as well, this is b squared, this is 4 squared, this is 2 times b times 4, which is just b plus 4 the whole square. Now this radical sign gives you the positive square root. B is positive because it is essentially the log of 3 to the base 2 squared plus 3 times log of base 3 to the base 2 plus 4. All of those are positive terms. So that will give you b plus 4. That just removes that 2 over that, minus 10 plus. Those two cancel out. That's good. And we are left with 14. So this tedious expression right here simplifies to this. That looks quite simplified to me, and we are done.